weird.
It's a river I haven't fished in a long time, but see if we can move a fish. Got a new wading staff as well. I bought this brown mountain. Has a cork handle and a wading staff tether on it, so I can just let it hang in the water. So far I'm loving it. This is only the second time I've used it, but it's got the metal locks. It's carbon fiber, super light. Switch this little size 18. It's got a 2.0 tungsten bead. Still got to pinch that barb. That's my point fly. And then for my dropper, I've got a little glass bead head, Caddis olive that I tied. I think I told you I switched the indicator. And white, as most of you guys know, is, in my opinion, a good color because you can see it and it looks like foam. It's not as spooky to the fish. I just realized I forgot to bend that barb, but that's what he ate. That's huge. It's got to be elk. Man, that's pretty fresh. It's nice out here. It's really gotten milky since we got here. You know what time it is? I think it's snack time. Oh yeah, this is just water. had to chime back in and say, as of right now, the kiwi strawberry propel mix is probably my favorite. Going after that. Man. So this is my little fly scene kit. It's got a bug screen for your net and then a little vial for your insects. Bungee. Stick it over your net. It's just a good way to take some bug samples to see what's hatching. So then you take the lid off your little vial. I like to put a little bit of water in it. So we got a few bugs. Surprisingly, we got a cased caddis. We got a worm, just an earthworm. And there's a green worm in there that's just pretty wild. We got 2 cased caddis. If you're trying to get kids into fly fishing, this is something fun to do. What is that thing? Comment below what that green thing is. It looks like it has fur on it. A couple little mayflies, earthworm, a green monster. We'll see what else we got. I'm gonna take this home and I'll put it in a cup for you guys. I'm gonna fish this just this run right here. Oh, we got some risers. I got my dry fly rod in the truck, but there we go. Three weight. Alright, we got him. He ate that caddis. It's a whitefish, but keep them wet, right guys? Oh, lost them. Now the key for that fish was, holy cow, this is a big fish. I gotta remember this is on this. I'm not used to using really super light tippet. Oh, holy cow! This is a big brown. Yes, now that is a solid brown. Let's see, he's in the mouth too. Get that barbless. Look, get that barbless hook out of him. He's 17, but he's thick.
Wow.